Dear student, I am discussing practical 2, current amplifier using op-amp. This is this practical is in a section A, or you can say group A. Most important for your understanding for any current amplifier. If current amplifier you are taking is ideal, the ideal characteristics of the current amplifier is first, input resistance tends to 0 and output resistance is infinite. For ideal current amplifier, input impedance tends to 0 and output impedance tends to infinite. Here I am showing you the circuit diagram of current amplifier using op-amp. See, this is operational amplifier. Here at the input section I am connecting the power supply of 5 volt. Here these are potentiometers. You can vary the current. I want to vary this input current, and it is given to the non-inverting terminal of a op-amp. This is I am making ground. From this I am taking my output current. This is your output current meter I have connected here, and from this I have taken the one connection is connected to resistance R2 having a 10 kilo ohm. This is your R1 having a 1 kilo ohm, and make it ground. Here the current flowing, that current I am telling you, I current, II. This current is IO. So here total current is II plus IO in this branch. Due to the current flowing in this, here voltage is developed. That voltage I am writing V1. So this voltage, this is a power supply voltage, you can write V plus is 12 volt. This is a V minus. This is a pin number 7, pin number 4, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 6. So in this, let us derive the equation of the gain in current. The gain in current is nothing but the, you can say, output current upon input current. From this circuit you can write V1 is nothing but the, I can write V1 is nothing but the current multiplied by resistor. You can see, yes, this voltage with respect to ground is nothing but the, this current V1 with respect to this ground is nothing but the, this and this point having a same, nearly same potential. So I can say V1 is nothing but the, with respect to this point is nothing but the current multiplied by resistance. So I have written current into R2. This second equation of V1 with respect to ground I can write this current multiplied by this resistance. So I can write, so V1 is nothing but the minus, this is I plus IO into R1. So inverting terminal I use the minus sign. This is I R2 is called minus I plus R1. Sorry, plus IO into R1. So I can write R2 by R1 is equal to minus 1 minus IO by I. So I can write R2 by R1 plus 1 is equal minus IU by I. So IU upon I, it is called current gain. So I can write minus of 1 plus R2 by R1. So the equation of the current gain for this circuit is nothing but the 1 plus magnitude 1 plus R2 by R1. What is the way to do this experiment? On the breadboard you have to connect this circuit, and with the help of this I am writing here observation number 1. I am adjusting the input current 0.1 milliampere. I will measure the output current and I will find IU upon II. This should be equal to this. For this circuit, this is 11, so I should get this 11, nearly about 11. With the help of the potentiometer, this R, you have to change the input current 0.2 milliampere. Measure the corresponding output voltage. Find out IU by I. Again do this. You may have questioned how much current I should give. That depends upon the how much op-amp can sink the current or source the current. So for a different value of the input current, you have to measure the output current and you have to find output current upon input current. That is your current gain. This should be nearly 1 plus R2 by R. With this, I am attaching the practical demonstration of the current amplifier using the op-amp.